You can personalize your emails with new specific merge tags to entice your clients to use their credits within their account. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can add active membership count or even active package count or account credit information to either to the heading or to the footer of your email. This tip is going to be for your manual emails, but you can also apply this to your automated emails. So if you send a newsletter once a week or once a month, this is something that you can add to your email, and this could help make your client feel like you are only emailing them, no one else. So in this example, we're simply using a text block, and you can edit the color of the text here and also what the font is like. You can also edit the color within the text block by clicking on the color option. And you'll see that we have added active membership count merge tag between the two percentage signs, but there are actually more merge tags that you can use, and one of the new ones is the account credit. So if someone has an account credit, let's say $20 from a refund, they can use this. And the beauty of using it on the top of your email is that clients will have the first glance knowledge that they have something that they can use within your studio. So you can add account credits and add the code here. We can also change the color for this code to the same branded color, and then this will display to your client. So the system will automatically draw in the amount into this email. If it's 0, it will display 0. Then you can also add this at the footer of your email. If people are scanning your emails, they tend to scroll quickly to the bottom to see how long it is, and it can be really helpful for your business to add some detail here that they can use as well. So maybe beneath these details, again, you can add the active membership count, active package count, and then account credits. And then you can paste the same merge tag as well. Then once you save this, you can actually preview this and send it to yourself. And you'll see the moment they open this email, they'll have this information at the top. This is a really easy way to share with your clients what they can use in your business and in your studio, making it easier for them to register or book into a session without sounding salesy in your emails.